Okay, I'm going to try and show my problem with my Amazon seller account attached to my email address. I wanted to get an individual seller's account. I pressed on professional seller's account. I have not completed my registration process because I don't want a professional seller's account, but I cannot get an individual seller's account. I keep reopening my case and you keep closing it. I've had one person contact me and say that there's no account associated with my email address. Well, I'm going to say bullshit and show you. So I probably hit this button by mistake without seeing what it was. But if I go down here, and I want to go to an individual seller's account, so I'm going to try and get an individual seller's account. Here's my email address right there. Okay, here's my email address. Don't tell me there's nothing associated with this email address, because that's bullshit. Because right here, you'll see what happens. Just watch. Every freaking time I get to this spot right here, I don't want a professional selling plan. So can you guys fix this?